Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who I'm back with another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with the boy Q. Today, guys, y'all read the title of the video. That's right, man. We're gonna actually get this truck weighed for the first time. I've always been very curious how much this truck weighs now since I added the lift kit, the tires, the wheels. I got the train horn kit. I swapped for leather seats, and all that stuff does add weight. Before we do that, I do need to get the truck washed because the truck is filthy. I'm gonna go ahead and hop out and show y'all really quick. Since that ice storm we have, if you haven't seen that video, go back and watch it. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all real quick how dirty the freaking truck is, bro. Like, the truck is freaking filthy. Y'all probably can't see it. I'm not sure if it's even coming up on camera, but let me get a little closer, I guess, for y'all. Look at that. Like, the truck is filthy, bro. I haven't washed it again since the snowstorm, man. And she looks a hot mess, bro. So I just been kind of waiting until we got like some good weather out here before I got ready to wash the truck, because I hate getting it washed and then, you know, it rains and I gotta do it all over again. There actually is a car wash here, right here behind me, that I just pulled up at, that actually fits 24 by 14 on 37, because they now go to like the belt on the car wash as opposed to the tracks, you know, that most people used to have back in the day. Let me hop inside, a little windy outside. So this one is called Oasis Auto Spa. It's in like McKinney, Texas. So if you have a lifted truck, bro, with 24, 14s, 37, they are a little picky. I'm gonna be honest with you. They come out, check, make sure you're good. Every time I come here, I've been here multiple times, they still do the same process. They come out, check, make sure I'm good. But you think they'd be used to the truck by now, but it's just a safety precaution on their side because the truck is big and it is wide. You know, you're gonna go get a car wash really quick first, and then we're gonna head over and get the truck weighed at a catch scale, which is where they weigh like 18-wheelers and people who, you know, if you're towing a boat and all that stuff. Because when you're towing, you do have to understand like your payload. Look at me, never towed before trying to explain this, but y'all know what I'm saying? Like, so for example, let's say this truck can tow 14,000 pounds, right? That's just for example, but you have 4 grown adults in the car. So that is probably what, if, let's say each adult weighs over 200 pounds, 2, 4, 6, 800. So you have to deduct 800 off that 14,000 because you already have 800 pounds in the truck. So you have to deduct that. So with the wheels, the lift and tires, the same thing. So, you know, you have to see how much extra weight has been added already to the truck. And then that lets you know how much you can actually tow, haul, whatever. If I'm saying it completely wrong, please comment below. But I think y'all know what I'm getting at, guys. So let's go get the truck washed, then go head over and get this truck weighed. I'm very, very curious to see the numbers of how much the lift kit, tire, the wheels, all that has changed since adding that to the original factory weight of the truck. All right, guys, so y'all can see in the car wash. Okay, he's trying to direct me really quick. Let me see. Neutral. All right, so we in neutral, guys. So y'all can see what I'm talking about, the belts down there. There's no track, it's just a huge belt. I say that, he started washing it. But yeah, so it's just a big belt, man, and it just allows really, really wide vehicles and tires to come through. Bang, my thing dropped. So this is a perfect car wash if you do have a lifted truck here. As y'all can see now, there's a good representation of what I mean by belts. There's no tracks. Yeah, you can really fit in really good if you have bigger wheels and tires. But we're all done. Yes, I would like to go. We're gonna swing this bad boy to the right. You feel me? I'm not gonna lie, guys. Since I have now dropped the back end of my truck is sitting higher in the front, it is a little harder to see curbs and things like that, bro. Like, because the front end of my truck is raised up, so it's sitting like this a little bit. It does making the drive experience just a little bit different than when it's leveled out. You can always tell. Yeah. How you good? How you doing? How you doing? See, I come here all the time, so they like really know who I am. But how you doing, boss? He jumping, trying to reach up there. But huh? Yeah, sorry. So he was asking if he want to put a mirror out. There's a height restriction. I can't remember what it is, but yes, there's a height, and your bed has to be empty for sure. And yes, before y'all get on to me about driving my truck through a drive-through car wash and getting swirled on the panes and all that, yes, I do understand that, guys. I'm okay. The truck is 10 years old. I mean, she looks pretty good to be her age. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a real big stickler for like certain things. I'm just not. Now, if I had a brand new 2024 $100,000 truck, let me tip my guy. Here you go, boss. Oh, it's okay? Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good one. I'm just not a big stickler for, you know, stuff like that, man. If I had, like I said, a brand new $100,000 truck, then, you know, man, we got a problem. I probably, you know, get it paint corrected or get it paint protected and everything like that. Let me just pull over here real quick and see. I gotta wipe this water right off that thing right there. It's a little water drop, so we're gonna wipe that off, and then we're gonna head over to the cat sale place. Let me go ahead and show y'all what the truck looks like now that they cleaned it. Much better, bro. Like way cleaner. So yeah, they do a pretty good job. Come in, drive through for a quick wash, bro. You can't go wrong. It takes me a lot of time. It takes me, if I really want to wash this truck like really good, it takes me a good hour to wash this truck, bro. So with that being said, it's just sometimes just way fast to come in and get it done. But here we go. All right, guys, so we are at the certified cat scale place, man. So I ain't never done this before, but we gonna try to figure this out. I think you're just supposed to loop around and go up inside this joint and put in the number. We gonna see. Oh yeah, buddy. Okay, we just gonna go up in here. Let's see what they say. I think you're supposed to put the axles like on the front, and then we just go stop right here. One set of axle per platform. I think I'm about one set of axle per platform. We gonna do right there. And then press the button firmly for scale assistance. But actually you do everything on the app, so let me go ahead and pull up the app in my truck. And then the number is 2872, confirm. Track the number, NA, trailer number, NA. Let me see what that happens. $14. Dang. Okay, we gonna do that. Let's see what happens. Do not pull off the scale. Oh, so we got it right there. The app does make it pretty easy. My bad, truck. I was holding up the scale. There's a freaking 18-wheeler behind me. I didn't even see him, bro. You gotta love technology for sure, you know. So let's see if we can get up out of here real quick. And then we just gonna go pull over somewhere and talk about the results really quick. Okay, guys, so I just been on the internet searching trying to find out how much this freaking truck weighs factory, guys. And I know a lot of people say, look at the sticker on the inside of the door. To me, the sticker on the inside of the door, it said the gross vehicle weight was 7,000 pounds. There's no way this truck weighs 7,000 pounds from the factory. I just know it doesn't. I believe that is for like your towing specifications. I always get tripped up on that word. I think that's for your towing specifications, like how much the vehicle can weigh total if you're trying to tow the max load, I believe. I don't know. Y'all gonna comment below. Like I said, towing is a science, guys, and one scenario doesn't fit all. So a lot that goes into it. You got the hitch weight, can the hitch distribute the weight properly, what kind of trailer you're pulling, blah blah blah. It's a whole bunch. So I ain't gonna even act like I'm gonna go there, but to me those numbers just didn't seem right. I'm like, there's no way this weighs 7,000 pounds and it's showing after I weighed the truck that it weighed total 6,260 pounds. So I went to ChatGPT. If you're not using ChatGPT, bro, use ChatGPT for everything. It's a lifesaver. So I looked at ChatGPT and I basically Googled how much does a 2015 F-150 3.5 EcoBoost weigh with the four-wheel drive, because that's very important. It's going to be heavier. And it says it weighs between 4,900 to 5,300 pounds, depending on the cab configuration and trim level. I have a Super Crew right here, so it's saying a Super Crew is about 5,300 pounds. So what I did, I just basically did some quick math. So just to give you the total numbers of the cat scale, the steer axle, which is the front of the truck, weighs 3,580 pounds. In the rear weighs 2,680 pounds, which makes sense because the engine is up front of the truck, of course, so it's going to be heavier up front, for a total gross weight of 6,260 pounds, and that's with me in the truck as well, right? And that's a good thing to know. I'm curious if the numbers from 4 to 5,300 is with the person in the truck. I don't believe it is. But anyway, so if you take 6,260 pounds minus the 5,300 pounds that ChatGPT gave us, you have a total difference of 960 pounds. I'll show y'all right there. So basically we'll just say 1,000 pounds. I always wanted to do this video. I was always curious how much my truck weighed since adding the lift kit, the bigger wheels, the bigger tires, the horn blaster kits, leather seats, and power steps. You know, I added a lot to the truck, so I was curious how much the truck weighs. So comment below, is 1,000 pounds when it comes to trucks in towing, is that a big difference? I would assume it is, you know, that if you're trying to tow something, yeah, 1,000 pounds is I think that's a pretty good amount of weight to differ, you know. But comment below. I'm not sure. I know, of course, when it comes to like racing and stuff, yes, 1,000 pounds is a huge difference. But you know, when it comes to trucks and towing, how much difference is that really gonna make? Is it like minuscule, or is it like, yeah, that's definitely something to consider? To help y'all out, again, this is very informational for me. I always want to know how much your truck weighed. So 6,000 what, 6,260 pounds. And actually, if the truck is over 6,000 pounds, if you own your own business, you know that you can like write off like 80% depreciation or 80% of the truck or something like that. Do your own research if you're into this stuff. But I just know that just for my record, that's why you see a lot of people at the end of the year, they buy trucks. That's why you see so many business owners get G-Wagons, because G-Wagons like the perfect truck that you can write off like 80% of it on the first year, because it's over 6,000 pounds. Any vehicle over 6,000 pounds, you can deduct 80%. But also be careful, because like on the residual or something like that, when you turn it back in to recapture, you can, you know, if you turn the vehicle in, you have to pay the recapture or something like that. This is me not trying to be educate y'all on this stuff, just some y'all might want to know. Just do more research as my channel goes. I give you a little bit of crumbs and you can just do the research on your own. But yeah, so we had 6,260 pounds, 1,000 pounds over what it came from factory per ChatGPT. I thought it was gonna be a lot heavier, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, but comment below what y'all think, man. But anyway, this just something I wanted to do. Hopefully it helped y'all out. If it didn't, I don't know. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. But yeah, it's very interesting to me. I just wanted to see how much the truck weighs. But that's all I got. It's your boy Q. Thank y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all next, baby. Peace.